At the heart of our advanced functionality is Melfa Smart Plus, our intelligent robot control system. This technology brings next-generation intelligence to our robots without requiring external sensors. It includes predictive maintenance that can detect potential failure before they occur, and thermal compensation to increase precision regardless of temperature changes. One standout feature within Melfa Smart Plus is the enhancement function for force sense control. This function uses AI to adjust parameters automatically for optimum force sense control. These specific capabilities reduce setup and takt times by 60%, making the system both more efficient and more accessible. Contact us today and experience robotics as a complete solution, not just hardware.